Volkswagen ID.4 versus Tesla Model 3 versus Ford Mach E. EV safety. When it comes to safety, EVs have an advantage because of the large amount of metal in the front, which acts as a crumple zone and absorbs the majority of the force from a collision, unlike a traditional car whose engine would be too robust to absorb anything and just transfer the weight back to the cabin. Today, we'll compare crash test results for 3 electric vehicles: the Volkswagen ID.4, the Tesla Model 3, and the Ford Mach E, in order to identify which is the safest. If you frequently drive around with your family or live near some dangerous roads, keep watching the video until the end to find out which EV is the safest for you. Let's start with the Volkswagen ID.4. The 6-airbag system is standard, as is Volkswagen's IQ. The drive assistance technology is also quite good. The IQ Drive assesses the car's surroundings using 3 radars, a camera, and 8 ultrasound sensors. The ID.4 received a 5-star overall safety rating from the Insurance Institute of Highway Safety. 5 stars were easily obtained in frontal and side crash testing. However, only 4 stars were received in the rollover test. While the Tesla Model 3 is classified as a sedan, crash testing revealed that it had a huge crumple zone. The roof strength, seat strength, and low center of gravity, as well as autonomous braking, were the most praised safety features in Euro NCAP tests, earning it 5 stars. The Safety Assist category received a 94% grade for features that have been proved to prevent collisions at speeds up to 25 miles per hour without the need for human intervention. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, the Tesla Model 3 has the lowest risk of occupant injury of any vehicle they've ever tested. The Ford Mach E is the last of the 3, and it's another SUV. The Mach E received 92% for adult safety, 86% for child safety, and 82% for safety assist systems from the Euro NCAP, but only 69% for the safety of surrounding vulnerable objects. The Mach E narrowly received maximum scores in IIHS testing, but was held back because its headlamps were found to be less than optimal in the left curve test. This, together with the low ease of use rating, may explain why the Euro NCAP rated the Mach E as not very safe for pedestrians. Because of its superior machine intelligence technology, Tesla performed the best of the 3 safety tests by our standards. Do you believe our analysis was fair, or did we leave something out? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you want to learn more, watch the video all the way to the end and then click on the video end card, which has additional relevant info. Subscribing to our YouTube channel and leaving a remark are also appreciated.